In this video, I'm going to share with you how I reached almost 7,000 subscribers. When you first start a YouTube channel, reaching 1,000 subscribers can be very difficult. For some people it takes many years, but you can do it within a few months if you follow this method. When you first start your channel, what you want to do is start off by uploading YouTube shorts, and you want to upload 2 YouTube shorts a day. For some reason, this is the easiest way to gain subscribers. Back in the day, when YouTube first started, there was only long form content videos. There wasn't such thing as shorts. So you could gain subscribers by uploading long form videos. But nowadays, the quickest way to gain subscribers is by uploading YouTube shorts. You want to make sure that when you upload the shorts, you wait 24 hours before you upload the next bunch of videos. So you upload 2 shorts immediately, one after another, and then you wait 24 hours and then you upload another 2 shorts. Which kind of videos should you upload to get many subscribers? That depends on what you want to do. Me personally, I use an app called CapCut, which has templates, and I upload Quran videos with recitations of the Quran. All you have to do is add your own picture or video, and that's it. It's very simple. You just find the template on the template section on CapCut, add your own video or picture, and that's the video made. For me personally, this is the most beneficial way to gain subscribers, because not only are you getting reward for sharing verses of the Quran, but you're also receiving subscribers, which is a blessing. So you upload 2 videos at the same time, and then you wait 24 hours and upload another two videos. Don't forget to export the video, obviously, after you've edited it on CapCut. After you've uploaded your picture or video, then you export it onto your desktop or on your phone, and then you upload it onto YouTube. This is the easiest way to gain 1,000 subscribers, no doubt. After you've got your 1,000 subscribers from uploading shorts, then you can focus on uploading long format videos, which will gain you watch hours. So YouTube Shorts is beneficial, but the only problem is you don't get many watch hours because they're only short, obviously. So after you've got your 1,000 subscribers, then you want to focus on uploading long format videos if you're trying to get monetized, that is. If you're not trying to get monetized, then you don't have to do that. But if you want to get monetized, then this is definitely the way to go. Start off with shorts when you first start your channel, then start focusing on long format videos. When you make your shorts, you want to make sure the videos don't exceed 60 seconds. Try and keep them, within 60 seconds, because I've noticed this works the best. Once you start going past 60 seconds, people don't really pay much attention as they would usually to a short video. That's because we're living in an age where people's attention span isn't very good these days. So people just like watching short content. So me personally, I make sure my videos are like 30 seconds long. But if you want, you can make them like 40, 50 seconds long. But try and keep them under 60 seconds. And this way, you should gain more subscribers. If you follow these steps, you should gain your 1,000 subscribers within a few months, maybe even less. You want to make sure that when you upload your videos, you don't upload the same video. Try to make sure all your videos are different. Because when you upload the same video, for some reason YouTube doesn't, push it out as much, and it doesn't get noticed. Sometimes it gets no views because it's like clickbait. So you want to make sure that you upload different videos every time. Hopefully you found this video beneficial. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going to be trying to make more content on this subject, on how you can build your YouTube channel and gain more subscribers. So please leave a like so this video gets pushed out and people come in contact with it. And hopefully this video was beneficial. Peace.